Friends, welcome back with another machine on the Van Hub, which is Investigator 1. The link will be put into the description section below so that you can download and play the machine. If you have already followed my channel, you know that I've already done so many Linux machine. However, this machine would be Android. Android is one of operating system for the mobile phone or smartphone. Okay, and as you can see from this slide, there's so many available operating systems there, and some of them are used by the PC servers and other devices, which include like Windows, Linux. Also, there's so many different distributions or flavors for the Linux and the Mac OS. With respect to mobile phone, there are major two flavors. One of them is Android, and another one is iOS, developed by the Apple company. So in this video, I'd like to, take you through the Android operating system, which would be very funny. And also, I'd like to show you how to, the Android is based on the Linux. However, this is a bit different from the normal Linux distribution. So I'd like to showcase how to upload the Limpia shell script or other files to the mobile phone to make emulation. Although this cannot play very much, roles in this case. Anyway, so without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch over to the Kali Linux VM. First of all, we need to discover the IP address of the target. The utility I'd like to use, as always, would be netdiscover. As you can see over here, the IP address of the target or the mobile phone could be recognized as 198. So what are we going to do next? We need to do the port and self scanning with a map. Again, to save time of this video, I've already completed before. So for now, we just get out its result. As you can see over here, I used the options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, followed by the -p- to do the comprehensive scan or full range port scan. The last option for all is ON to output the result into this file. Then afterwards we can read the result from this file. Okay. Although, as you can notice here, the IP address of the target has been changed from the first time when I did the machine. Anyway, from the map scanning results, we can tell that the target has 1, 2, 3 open port numbers. As you can note here, the last one, 22,000, very high port number, which is used by the SSH service. And also the service is a bit different from the normal open SSH, the job beer. And the first one is 555, which is running ADB service. ADB service is the debug bridge device. This which allow us to connect to the mobile phone for example, to make debugging, to install software. It can do almost everything what we can. Okay, this is a very special service. And afterwards, we need to utilize this service for our purpose. And the next one is the normal one, 8080, which is running HTTP service. So what should we do next? We need to do the emulation, from the or by emulating the HTTP service. So how to do? Let's fire up the browser of Firefox to do the manual emulation first. 8080, press enter. So here's some information about, so maybe there's some sort of the instruction left by the author, Agent S, have been investigated the case, but he failed to complete it, some, syntax error. We don't know what happened to agent. Sector needs your need your help to investigate this case. Last information from Agent S is only, so many 6 digit, and we can copy. Maybe this information it would be useful. Okay, so we can note it down to our notebook. So next we can check its source code as usual, but nothing here. And next we can check whether we can access robots file or not. Not found. Next we can launch the Nigoto to do the automatic enumeration. And this is very different from the other normal machines. As you can see, we cannot retrieve the banner from the target machine. And also, we cannot even retrieve almost anything important. So now I'd like to interrupt here. Next, we can launch the GoBuster to do the directory enumeration. We use the option of W to specify the word list. I always use the GoBuster as my word list to work with. Press enter. However, we got the error. Don't worry, we can put the option of exclude lens. Press enter. And now the GoBuster has started its enumeration or brute forcing against the directories or files or pages, rather. Unfortunately, we cannot get anything from the GoBuster. To save time of this video, I'd like to quit from the GoBuster. So what else we can do? I think we have already done almost everything what we can with the web application. However, nothing interesting we can get. So what to do? We need to do the enumeration with the ADB surface. So how to do? And I will put the link of this website to the description section below so that you can refer to if you want. So the ADB, is usually located in here. And of course, by default, the Kali Linux doesn't have the ADB utility installed. However, to install this utility is very easy. You can use apt package manager to install it. I will ignore this step. So now I assume that we have already installed the ADB. Now we can connect to the target with this utility. Okay, ADB, and we can use connect. If you don't know how to use it, we can use the help option, and can give us a lot of available options, like for the debugging and also for the security, scripting, and USB internal debugging. And also, as you can see over here, the shell, we can run shell. And also we can connect to the target, the devices, version, networking. So I think this command I'm going to use. So we can use the ADB connect, press enter, and already connect to the target. And then we can get the shell. And as you can see, we are now in the mobile phone. And very weird, even give us the ID information. I didn't run it, right? Anyway, we can run the ls to display the structure of directories on the mobile phone. However, we cannot use the H option. We can use the A and also the AL. We can, okay? So this is a bit different from the normal Linux distribution, okay? So how to do? Now we are the normal user. We cannot do almost everything. The Android has very strong security and very purposefully designed system which prevent us to manipulate. However, we need to find a way, okay? For example, we can find the location where we can upload the NumPy shell script, okay? So I don't think you can find this with other, in other walkthrough of other guys. Okay, so we can go to the data, and also we can go to the local. This is this location where we can upload the file and also the temp directory. No error, right? And the next we can upload the file, the NumPy shell script. In order to upload this file to the target, we can run Python http.server module to set up the web server. And now we can check wget. Wget is there, so then we can use wget to upload NumPy. And we cannot change mode as in the normal Linux. We got the error bad mode. However, we can use the bash command, bash command not found. How about the shell? Okay, now it just the NumPy shell script is starting working. Okay, and it's trying to emulate the mobile phone. Although in this case, this cannot give us many results or output or useful output. But what I'm doing now is trying to tell you we can upload, we can find appropriate location on the mobile phone. And, for example, we can upload like some utilities or some binaries. This case is the shell script. Okay, so I hope you can understand why I'm doing this. Okay. After all, the Android is a special Linux, is developed on the basis of Linux. Or maybe I can say this is the special branch of the Linux. Okay. Got many errors. The unknown. All right. So it's done. And now we can scroll up to see whether we can find something interesting or something useful, but we can't. Anyway, so how to do next? We can try, now we are no normal user. We cannot do almost everything. So next we can try to switch or elevate to the root user, because of course in the real world it's not so easy. Now the security is enhanced enormously. We cannot do this way to be root of the mobile phone. Okay, for example, now I just run su command, and then we are already become the root user. Okay, and now we need to do some more local emulation. For example, we can go to the data, and this is where the data of the application or application would be located. Okay, and now we can go to the the root, and then we can get the flag. Okay, so it's easy, right? Let's make this one little hard. Your flag is not here. Agent, your security key. So maybe this should be the security key. And we can copy and note it down to our notebook. As you know, this screen of the mobile phone, this screen is locked. And to unlock, we need to supply the correct digits. So maybe this is the digits we should provide. However, this is not, after all, we import this Android machine into the VirtualBox, so we cannot see the mouse, and also it's not easy to press the digit. However, we try to do that, and we can, sorry, I need to remember these digits and try to press digits. 2, 5, 5, 5, 9, 9. It's not easy to do some actions. We can press 2, 5. Oh, sorry. Line 1. Okay, and 1486. 1486. Oh, not this one. 1486, and the last 2 digits are 3, 7. Oh, what I'm doing. Oh, I need to do it again. Anyway, I think this, this secret key are not working to unlock this screen. Okay, to save time of the video, I'd like to skip this step. So I think what we are going to do next, we need to, now we have already become the root user of the mobile phone. Then I think we can delete the key, the required key to unlock the screen. Okay, let me do it now. I'd like to show you. So how to do? We can go to the system, and we need to remove gesture key, and also we can remove the password key. Okay, it's done. Next, I think we can exit from the ADB shell, and now we need to restart the mobile phone or restart the talking machine. And then I think we do not need to unlock the screen. The screen should be unlocked. Okay, so now see you there. I'd like to pause the video. All right, let's continue. After I restarted the mobile phone, as you can see over here, we do not need to provide the key or password to unlock the screen. We are now within the mobile phone, and this should be the home of the mobile phone. Next, we need to, as you can see over here, the description to be the investigator to finish this machine. It's for any beginners. Okay, now our task is to find the flag. Okay, and this would be very difficult, and you need to walk through all apps of the mobile phone. And to save time, I will not do this in this video. Actually, the flag lies in the app, and we can put, very difficult to move the mouse, and the flag should be lying. We can use the tap messaging. However, this time this is locked by the IP locker, and this time the secret key can come into play. Okay, and the key I'd like to remember, the key should be 2. I need to note it down to my paper. So 2, 5. Let me press. So we need to 2. I think should be, no, not this one. 2, 2, 5. 5 should be this one, and link to 9, and then link to 1, and then link to 4, and then linked to 8, and then connect to the 6, and then connect to 3 and 7. As you can see, this Messenger app is unlocked. Next, as you can see over here, the first message, your flag is in next chat. We can open. It's not there, and then we need to, not this one, and go to the next chat. Not here. We need to go back, and then the next one. And the next one. And then next one. We need to go back. Not there. How about this one? Next chat. Nothing here. Okay, as you can see over here, this chat contains what we want. So welcome to Investigator. Share your screenshot in Telegram. So I think we have already completed all tasks with this machine. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.